This is Cimatron E10 PMI exercise. So before you start do this exercise, make sure you copy this CTF file into your working folder. You can right click, save target as, save it into your working folder, save. Okay, after that we go to file, select unpack. You unpack this. Press Ctrl button on the keyboard and A to select all, and then unpack it. Save it into your working folder. And this one we change it to without folder history, and after that select OK. Now we load the file. Load it from your working folder. Okay, this is the model. Okay, before we creating the drawing, we will add some more dimensions. We select the dimension and we select this and press middle mouse button to accept, and this one is okay. Press middle mouse button and also this one. After that select OK, and then we go to activate the P2 here, activate component, right click here. Okay, after that we select this edge, dimension, select this edge, press middle mouse button and this and this. Okay, after that click OK. So we have the dimensions already. This is the real dimensions for the edge. Okay, after that we need to create the end view. So we click here and then right click, select new end view. Okay, this is the end view. So we select OK. Okay, after that we save the file and then we open the new file. We select the drawing. Okay, and then right click, select view creation. Okay, we load the file. We load this and then the end view, select this one, click OK, and we put somewhere here. Okay, this is the end view. Okay, you can close it. Okay, in Cimatron E10 we can show the PMI dimensions and in the ISO view, and this is the real dimension. And in E9 we didn't have these functions, and here we also can add dimensions. For example, I add this edge, the dimension. This dimension is not the real dimension, it's a projection. Okay, so beside that we also can change the character size. For example, this one. So I just double click here. Okay, and the size I can change it to maybe 1 or too big. This is inch, sorry, I forgot. Okay, maybe 0.3. Okay, so you can change it the character size for easy viewing. Next, we want to open the PMI guides. So we go to Tools, PMI Tools, and then we select the PMI guides. Okay, this is the guide here. This is improvement in Cimatron E10. So you can see the difference between the Cimatron E9 and Cimatron E10. In Cimatron E10, we add a lot of new functions, okay, compared to Cimatron E9. So first what we need to do is select the geometrical tolerance. Okay, at here we can select the XY, YZ, ZX or M view to add the tolerance, a geometrical tolerance, or you also can define the plane or select the mode as reference entities. Okay, for example, I define the plane. I select this plane, this space as the plane, and then I click here and here. So the plane we can edit. We double click here. The symbol can change. For example, I change to this, and the dentum here I change to M. Okay, after that we can close it. Yeah, this is our tolerance. Next we go to geometrical dentum, and we also can define the plane, selection mode, or select this. What depends on what you want. Okay, now I define the plane, select this plane, and I click here. Okay, now it's show already, and then maybe I can change the text. I don't want B, I change to A. After that, click OK. Next, we want to create a surface roughness. So we select this icon, and then we click somewhere here. Okay, and after that, we change this, double click here. The mode we change to single value. After that, we close it, and then we pick somewhere here. Okay, and then we also can define the plane. We pick the plane. Now you can see, you can move it. Okay, after that we can change it this without leader, and then we also can switch the symbol side. After that we change it to with the leader. Okay, and then this is the brake segment. So at here we can click another branch. So I click this one, branch leader. After that maybe I click somewhere here, so I can drag it anywhere I want, and then click OK. After that we go to surface finish, select this, or you can select plane. The surface finish also we can switch the symbol side, so you can see the difference. And we also define the plane, pick a point like this, or double click here, and this one we change to single value. Okay, and then we click OK. This is the finish, surface finish and surface roughness. Next is the coordinate label. So we go to here, select the coordinate label. Okay, and then we rotate it. We select this, the center here. Okay, and then we pick somewhere here to place the value, and then we go to the define plane. We select this face. Okay, and then we click the rotate or change box. Make sure the box is on, and the angle we change it to 90 degree. It also can change to other degree. Yeah. Okay, now I select 90 degree. Okay, so you can see the X, the Y, the Z, the value, the coordinate value. Okay, after that, select this leader connection, and the text leader point is here. Okay, and then sorry, before that, we can select to place the leader point. Maybe place here the leader point, and you can choose it, and then we can click OK. This is the coordinate label. Okay, next is about the additional symbol. So the symbol in PMI guide also presented in drafting. So first what we need to do is zoom out this one first, and we pan it to the bottom here. After that, right click, select view creation, we load the file. Okay, and the top view, after that we select this. Make sure we check this, the first one, and uncheck the second one. After that we click at here, so you can see. Okay, so you can see the dimension is didn't show in here, only the P2 here, and then we need to edit it. Okay, after that we need to edit it. Just right click, double click, edit this, right click, edit this. Okay, and then we select the show or hide model symbol again, and this time we check the second one. Okay, so you can see the dimensions is displayed. Okay, and then we close it. Okay, after that we create a new view, right click, view creations. We select maybe side view. Okay, we load the file, and we select this show or hide, and we uncheck the first one, show only PMI with the same view projection. We uncheck this and select OK, and then we place it at here. Okay, close it. Next, we will create the new derived view and place this above the top view here. So we right click, edit this, and press Ctrl button on the keyboard and middle mouse button to pan it. Oh no, sorry, is press the Ctrl button on the keyboard and right click, left click, and then move it to bottom here. Okay, and then we close this. Okay, right click, select view creation, and this is we select the front, and we load the file, and then we click this one, filter, part filter, and we uncheck the P2, click OK. After that we go to the show or hide model symbol, and then we uncheck this one, the surface roughness and surface finish, and then click OK. We place it here, and then we can close. Okay, now we need to rearrange here, so right click, select edit this, press Ctrl button on the keyboard and left click to move it to here, and then close this, right click, edit this, Ctrl button and left click. Okay, move it to here. Okay, this is the drawing. in additional symbols. So that's all.